Welcome back to How to Do Stuff. Today we're going to be changing the battery in our Chrysler Pacifica key fob. This is the standard key fob, which is the same as the Pacifica Hisense. What we're going to do is use just a couple little tools, easy tools. I like to have a little micro screwdriver on set and have some batteries. I like Energizer simply because of the little bunny rabbit. These are 2025s. You can also use 2032s. The difference is 2032s last about 7% longer. All right, so now we're getting down to it. So first thing you do, simply press the little button on the side of the fob and your key will come out. If you look at the slot where this key was, there's a little area on the left and the right that you can take the key to put underneath it and turn to pry off the back. The back of the key fob comes off relatively easily. This is where the screwdriver comes in. If you see, there's a little slot right here on the side of the battery, and we'll just take this screwdriver and it just gives a little pop. Battery comes out. Again, I'm using the 2025. You can use either 2025 or 2032. They are interchangeable. The back snaps right back in. Insert your key, and you are back in business. All right. I hope this is helpful. If you guys like the content, please subscribe and like, and put any comments you have down below. I'll put a link to the batteries on an Amazon link, and it helps keep this channel alive. All right. Thanks so much. Have a good one.